Oh, there you go. There's some beautiful ones. Oh, man, look at that. See it shoot right up and then explode. Look at that. Wow, there we go. We're getting some good ones going now. There you go. Look at it shoot straight up before it even hits it. I'm surprised you can see it like a frickin' missile. That's amazing. Look at that stuff. Amazing crap. Bemis is lighting up. Oh my god, I can smell the smoke coming in my field. That is awesome. Bemis is doing some good fireworks too. I'm doing Lakewood or somewhere. I don't know. That's probably Mayville. I'm not sure. Look at this. Nice view right here. That's why I love my property lining so much. I get the best spot. Get to see the whole lake. Bam! That one was cool. There you go, there's another one. Look at this. All this. You guys didn't know, I'm gonna just move it to the right for a sec. All that flashing over there is Bemis. That's Bemis, what you're seeing flashing. It's like mortars going off. You can't really see it because I got a lot of trees. But I'm gonna keep it to the left. So we're still getting some good ones over here to the left. I can kind of see some of the Bemis ones like crazy. You can't see them on my cam. There goes Bemis, look at that. They're getting lit up with those things. Here come the grand finale. Here you go, watch this. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Woohoo! Nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Woohoo!